Welcome back to another sports massage therapy education video. Today we're going to be looking at the slump test, which is the test we're going to use to identify if the client has got sciatica. So first thing we want to understand is what sciatica is, which can normally be when the sciatic nerve is being irritated, whether that's through impingement, tight muscles, or an intervertebral disc issue. So the way in which we're going to assess this is we're going to start by asking the client to bring their chin down all the way till it touches the sternum, or as close down as we can. We're then going to get them to flex the spine, so just leaning forward. And then what we would do is with the leg or the side that they're getting those sciatic symptoms is slowly get you to raise that leg up and back down. What would normally happen in this case is if there was a result of a positive test and there was sciatica, the client's probably going to let you know by screaming at this point. There's going to be significant pain in the area, but it can also be that they feel significant heat radiate in that area as well. So we'll show you one more time. So bringing the chin all the way down, flexing the spine, and then raising up that side. And it can sometimes help if they bring the toes up as well. And like I say, a positive result would indicate by severe pain shooting down the leg, causing them to make some kind of noise or screaming out in pain or heat in that particular area. And that is a wrap on another video. But before you go, did you know that 99% of you aren't actually subscribed to the channel? If you are enjoying the content and you want to continue learning more, please consider subscribing and don't forget to like and comment any videos you want to see in the future. And as always, I will see you in the next one.